So what we have here is the world's smallest embedded Wi-Fi module, and what you have here is the module itself soldered directly on top of the application board. It contains an Energy Micro Gecko processor and a Qualcomm Atheros low-power Wi-Fi chip. What we can do with this one is that using just a few milliamps, we can have it connected to an access point, a normal Wi-Fi access point. So the whole idea behind this module is that it should be small self-contained modules, so you don't need anything else than just hooking on batteries and the type of sensor that you want to show. On the application board we have placed a gyro, and we have also placed a temperature sensor, so it can sense the temperature and send it back over the internet directly. So the module here, when I put in the battery, it will connect to the access point. It finds an access point nearby, and then it will be blinking for a few seconds until it authenticates on the internet and sends a Twitter message about where it is and what direction it's located in due to the gyro, and also what the temperature is. And we can see here that the RTX Wi-Fi demo has actually tweeted. And this is 40 seconds ago, sent a tweet that it was 30 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot in here. And the device ID itself. This is a demonstration to show how easy it is actually to get directly onto the internet, just using the access points that's set up on a normal smartphone. And you can use this for a number of different applications. In this case it's for temperature, for example. Another case could be for security purposes. One example could be a glass break detection device. Could also be an infrared sensor motion detection device. Could be a smoke detector. It could be anything that you want to have directly connected to the internet.